So I'm in the middle of a bathroom renovation, and one of the items that I wanted was an LED mirror. I went to this restaurant and I saw it and I thought it was the absolute coolest thing possible. So I went online and I have one and it just arrived. So as you can see, it's not like too crazy big of a box, but it is a nice size box. It's packaged very well and taped up all over the sides. So let me get changed and let's get to it. All right, so I just took the tape off of the box. So as you can see, this is how it looks. This box weighs about 20 pounds, so it's not something that's like extremely heavy. It's very well wrapped with the styrofoam. Okay, so let's see. So I see that it has the instruction manual here along with the template as well as the screws. I also see that it comes with a leveler and gloves. So that is it's really nice actually. Here is the actual mirror itself as well as the plug. So this doesn't have to be hardwired in, it can actually be plugged into the wall. So let's go hang it. Noise, again, we're doing renovations. So I finally hung my template up here, as you can see on the wall. Again, it comes with the configurations of whether it's going to be vertical or horizontal. Of course, I put a red mark. I'm going to do mine vertically for my bathroom. But even if you did decide to go with the horizontal, you can see that they have both start points marked out. And if you want the vertical or the horizontal, there we go. You can see the line that it is supposed to go towards. So you just mark it based off of your model. As you can see, I have mine marked right here as the SQFL-2820. And again, this sheet of paper actually goes out pretty far, so you get an idea. So as you can see, I have my 2 holes installed, and let's work on completing it. All right, so here is, wow, this is gorgeous. So as you can see, right now it is still wrapped in plastic. There are these little pieces right here, and I'm pretty sure that's to continue to affix it. The instructions do state to make sure you keep these on until after it has been, the hanging has been completed. I'm going to actually plug mine up because I have an outlet right here. I'm gonna plug mine up and then we're gonna see how gorgeous this is, because I mean, who doesn't love a beautiful mirror? All right, so here we are. I have the mirror. I removed all of the wrappings around it and I have it currently plugged up to my wall. I've turned off the lights so we can see the beauty of this. So this is the power button. Oh my gosh. Oh, so this is the blue LED light. As you can see, it is like a brighter, almost daytime light, and this definitely brightens up my bathroom. Oh, sorry, I hit the wrong one. This is the cool tone. This is the warm tone. Obviously, how gorgeous is that? And then we'll just surf through to like a natural daylight. This is a defogger, so let's see if there's any sound associated with it. So there is a click to let you know that it is on, and then obviously the button changes color once it's completed. This is a gorgeous mirror, and my guests are absolutely gonna love this when they use my bathroom. I'm gonna have to come down here and start doing my own makeup. Love this mirror.